Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
So I know this course is about growing an audience, but when you grow your audience, you want to know how to monetize your account. So let me show you some ways you can monetize your YouTube to make money as you're growing your audience. One big way is through AdSense. So you have AdSense, and you also have, MCNs, multi-channel networks, different places where, you become partnered with a third party like, the Creator Network, or you can become partnered with Fullscreen, or you could be, partnered like PewDiePie was with Maker Gen Studios. What I recommend you do, unless you're a massive YouTuber who receives a custom offer from a company that's actually going to help grow your brand, what I'm going to recommend you do is never partner with somebody else. Make all of your revenue through AdSense. So I've set my AdSense settings here to get paid every time I hit a $100 threshold. I'm going to show you exactly how to start an account. All you have to do is go to google.com and then type in AdSense. Log in. It's going to take you right to the Google AdSense page. You're going to hit sign up now. Once you hit sign up now, you type in either your website. You don't need a website. You can also type in your email address. So that's a great way to just log in. Log in with your YouTube account. You should be able to log in. If not, you're going to sign up using your email associated with your YouTube account, and it will take you to this page. This is the home page. It'll show you what your estimated earnings are. You want to actually go and submit for payments. It will be auto-linked to your YouTube account. So what you need to do is go ahead and fill in your bank account. Google will deposit, and you're going to get paid by Google. Google LLC, I believe. So what you want to do is see how much Google sends you. They're going to send you maybe 2 or 3 cents. You're going to confirm it when you get it in the next 2 or 3 days, and then you will have verified your payment method. And they will pay you every time you hit a $100 threshold. Now, you can change that threshold. You just go into your settings and it's very easy, but wait till you hit $100 first. You can manage your settings right here and manage your account right here. It's as simple as that, but AdSense is the most popular way to get paid. We're going to go into some other methods that you can use to monetize your account. The course isn't about making money on YouTube, it's about growing your audience, but I want to show you a couple more ways that I recommend. They're the most popular and the most beneficial. Next on our list is the Amazon Associates Program. To become a part of this program, it is quite simple. I haven't really put many of the links on my page, but this will be the inside of your dashboard. I actually use the next method to monetize my stuff because I know my audience is international students. They're not going to click through and buy a camera, but they do want lessons, they do want to learn, and they're into education. So I put online courses in my descriptions. But if you do a tech review channel, or you do a channel where it's relevant for somebody to buy an Echo Dot or, Bounty toilet paper or something, usually electronics do really well for the Amazon Associates Program. All you have to do is create an account on affiliate-program.amazon.com, or just head on to google.com and then type in Amazon Affiliate Program. Click the first link, either log in with your Amazon account or sign in. This is the main page, okay? And all you have to do is search or create links for any product. You can browse for products here to create a link. You can search in, let's say, books, and you can generate links. Put those in your videos, and then when you log back into the Amazon Associates, if somebody has bought, you will get fees and bounties, and it will show you clicks, and you could bank hundreds of thousands of dollars using the Amazon Affiliate Program, just linking people back to Amazon. And it's so lucrative if you're actually able to convert those viewers into paying customers. And you need a lot of viewers, and you need some, obviously affluent viewers who have enough money to buy those things. And if you challenge, if you do a book review channel, add books. If you do organization and productivity videos, calendars. If you do astronomy, astrological. So that's the idea. Join the Amazon Associates Central Program. Head on to affiliate@program.amazon.com, and you should be able to do it. So the next thing that you can do to make money on YouTube is by using Skillshare for referrals. As you see, I have one premium referral this month driven from YouTube. I actually wasn't putting them in all of my links, only some of them. I wanted to test it out. But I may start, doing it in all my videos. Go big or go home. Use Skillshare referral links. For every student you refer, they get 2 free months of Skillshare, which is, again, an online teaching platform. Whether you're watching this course on that or not, I'm not sure. But you can refer students. Just hit this button. What you're going to do is create a Skillshare account, and you're going to go into your teacher stats, or just look up online for the Skillshare affiliate program, and you can generate a link over here. This is your Skillshare link. So what you want to do is copy that link and either paste it directly into your YouTube description, a link like this, or I want you to go to Google and type in bit.ly shortener, and most of you have probably seen bit.ly links. You can just shorten that link, copy, and then post it in your description of your YouTube video like this. Again, when you go to the Skillshare platform, you'll be able to make $10 for each referral. So if you're getting millions of views and you can convert, let's say, 10,000 people into Skillshare users, you're going to be making $100,000. So that's a lot of money just coming through Skillshare, but you need that audience to get that working. So again, Skillshare is another way. If you're confused about any of the ways, you know, when they go, this is going to be their link. So if you're confused about any of the ways that I've been using or any of the marketing tactics, it was too fast or you didn't understand it, let me know in the description. I can tack on another video, or I can contact you personally through Udemy and give you the tips and tricks that you can use to be successful. And get those links going. There's so many different ways to make money through YouTube. I mean, you could just approach businesses and say, hey, you know, I want to advertise for you on my YouTube if you have an audience. So there are different ways. But these are a few ways you can use links to, you know, gain, you know, more money that you can pump back into either advertising for your channel or whatever, or just buy yourself some nice stuff. It's good to use Udemy, a passion, something that you love, and actually, you know, teach people this. But also, teaching people through YouTube and helping people through YouTube feels amazing. So as you're working on those channels, as you're building it up, try to find ways to monetize it because you totally deserve it. All right? Let me know if you have any questions, and let's move on.